Hi friends, so today we are doing the unboxing of the new Realme GT6 series. So this has some of the AI features as mentioned here, and if you look at the back of the phone, you can see that it has the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset, which basically comes between the Snapdragon Gen 3 and Gen 2. Then it has a 6000 nits ultra bright display, which is also a LTPO display. Then it has the main Sony LYT 808 OS camera, and then it has the 120-watt fast charging, and it has a 5500 battery, and some of the details are also mentioned at the bottom. So let's quickly open the device. So in the box you will see there's a small box. Then that box we have the case, a SIM injecting pill, some booklets, some safety guides, and this is the case for the device. Then you have the device itself. So this is the device. This is the Razer green. Then there you have also another option, which is silver. So let's keep the device aside and see what are the other contents of the box. Then you have in the box you will get a 120-watt brick, which the company claims that can charge the device in 35 to 40 minutes. And we have the type A to type C charging cable. Let's keep this everything aside and come back to the main device. So coming to the device, it's a pretty slim phone, where on the top you have some microphone, speaker grill. Then on the right side you have the switch off button, then the volume up and down, and in the bottom you have the speaker grill, the type C, and micro the sim card slot. And it supports dual sim, and there is no support for the micro SD cards. And on the left side it is completely blank. So and at the back you will see it is coming with the glass back, and the frames on the sides are plastic. So it has a triple camera at the back, one which is the main camera, and then we have the which is a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 808 camera. It has then 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and then a 50 megapixel portrait camera. And then we will have the also the LED light, and in the front you also get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So let's boot the phone, and I will set up the device, and then we will talk about the main other features of the phone. So I have already set up my device. If you go and check in the settings, you will see that this is actually a 8 GB 256 GB it has a 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Battery capacity, which you can also extend the RAM. Then you have the battery capacity of 5500 mAh and the processor. And you can also see the camera resolutions here, and it is coming with the Android version 14. Out of the box, and the company claims 3 years of Android version update and 2 years of security patches. As you can see, I have already got updated this device. When I opened, I had almost like 2 GB update for the device, and is presently running on Android security update, which is of October. So one of the highlight is the camera of the phone, and this is the user interface of the camera. You get portrait mode, which supports up to 2x, and then in the other options you have the pro mode, panorama, film, slow motion, and the quality of the videos and the cameras samples are pretty much good. So one of the another highlight of this phone is the battery. You get a 5500 mAh battery, which shall give you at least 1 to 1.5 days of usage, and I usually get like 6 hours of screen on time. And the battery backup is also very good, and is very easy to charge with 120 watts fast charging. So another feature of this phone is it supports the UFS 4.0, so transfer of files from this device to another from the storage is very fast, especially if you're connecting to the pen drive. So these were the first impressions of Realme GT6 series. As you can see, it's like a fingerprint magnet, so it's better to use the case provided by the company, or you can also buy the case so it doesn't get much scratches. And where you also get a pre-applied screen protector, but it's always better to have a tempered glass for your device. I will come back with another video of the Realme this GT6 series after using it for a little bit, giving you. So this was just the first impressions of this device. Hope you like the unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. I have purchased this device from Flipkart for 14,999, which is the 8 GB 256 GB version. And there is also another version which is 12 GB 512, which is like 44,000. But I bought this device from the big billion sale from Flipkart after exchanging this my old Motorola smartphone, and I got a pretty much good value for my exchange. So this one will almost cost me with 34K, but at this price this is one of the good options with a very good camera, very good battery life, a good display, and especially even the sound output is also very good. So if you are looking for something which is within 40,000, this is one of the best smartphones you can go for. So that's it for now. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.